All right, Business Math Worksheet Day 27, again under Personal Finance, Life, Fire, and Auto Insurance. Says the owners of Southern Manufacturing Incorporated want to insure a building for $110,000 and the building's contents for $100,000. According to their insurance agent, the building's area rating is a 2 and the building's classification is a B. Now notice on the fire insurance rate, it's per $100 of coverage. So the building is worth $110,000. We're going to divide it by $100 since we're per 100, so knock off 2 zeros. And so we're going to take $1,100 times the rate. Now area rating of 2, Class B, and we're doing the building, so 50 cents. So if I take my $1,100 times 0.50, I get $550. So $550 is the insurance premium for the building. For the contents, our contents we want to insure for $100,000. Again, the coverage is per $100. So if I divide by 100, I'm going to knock off 2 zeros. I'm going to take 1,000 times rating of 2, Class B, and the contents are 60 cents per $100 of coverage. So if I take 1,000 times 0.60, I get $600. So the total insurance premium, I'm going to take my $550 plus my $600, and I get $1,150. And so my insurance premium is $1,150. Number 2, same kind of thing there. The owners of Teddy Bear Retailers want to insure a building for $230,000 and the building content for $110,000. According to their insurance agent, the building's area rating is 3 and the building's classification is A. Again, it's per $100 for when I find the insurance for the building. $230,000 divided by 100, I'm going to knock off 2 zeros. So 2,300 times the number from the table. So the area rating is 3, the class is A, and the building would be then 41 cents. So 2,300 times 0.41 gives me $943. I want to insure the contents of the building for $110,000. My coverage is per 100, so I'm going to knock off 2 zeros and use 1,100 times the number from my table. Rating of 3, Class A, contents 50 cents. So if I take 1,100 times 0.50, I get 550. Total insurance premiums, I'm going to take the 943 plus the 550. And so $1,493 would be my insurance premiums. Number 3, the owners of Goody Dollar Mart want to insure a building for $410,000. The building's contents for $300,000. According to the insurance agent, the building's area rating is 1. The building's classification is B. So what are the premiums to insure the building? $410,000 is what the building is worth. We want to do per $100, so divide by 100, knocks off 2 zeros. So I'm going to take 4,100 times the number from the table. The area rating is 1. The classification is B, so for the building, 41 cents. Per $100 of coverage. So 4,100 times 0.41 is 1,681. $1,681. The premiums for the contents. I want to insure the contents for $300,000, but my coverage is per 100. So I'm going to use 3,000 times the number from the table. Area rating 1, class B, the contents are 54 cents per $100 of coverage. So times my 54 cents, 3 times 0.54 gives me 1,620. If I want to know my total of my insurance premiums, then 1,681 plus 1,620 would be 3,301. So $3,301 would be the total of all my insurance premiums. So a matter of looking at the table and remembering to look, is it per $1,000, per $100? What is it on this table? Number 4 says, at the end of 7 months, Watkins Electronics decides to cancel its fire insurance because it has obtained coverage from another company. The annual premium on the original policy was $10,100. So I am going to cancel it after I've paid for 7 months. So I'm going to look right here in the 7 months. The percent of annual rate to be charged, I'm going to go with 67%. So to find the short rate premium, I'm going to take 67%, so 0.67 times the original policy value, $10,100. So 0.67 times 10,100 would be $6,767 for the short rate premium. That's how much I had to pay in premiums. My refund then was to take the original value, $10,100, and subtract off my premium, $6,767. So if I take $10,100 minus $6,767, my refund amount is that I'm going to get $3,333 back. Number 5, it says at the end of 5 months, Watkins Electronics decides to cancel its fire insurance policy because it has obtained coverage from another company. The annual premium on the original policy was $12,200. So at the end of 5 months, my percent of annual rate to be charged is 52%. I'm going to get charged 52% of what the policy was. So 0.52 times 12,200. So 0.52 times 12,200 means $6,344 is the short rate premium that I paid in. My refund then would be the total value, the $12,200 minus my premium, $6,344. So $12,200 minus the $6,344 means my refund amount is $5,856. Number 6, at the end of 4 months, Newman's Grocery Supply decides to cancel its fire insurance policy because it has obtained coverage from another company. The annual premium on the policy was $18,200. So after 4 months, the rate to be charged is 44%. So 44% of the total value, $18,200. So 0.44 times 18,200 gives me $8,008 for the short rate premium. The refund then would be the $18,200 minus the $8,008 that I'm going to be charged. So $8,200 minus $8,008 means my refund would be $10,000 $192. And again, this one's kind of a short one because all those tables take up a lot of room and Alex doesn't like you to have too long worksheets. And so we only have those 6 questions. So want to scroll, that's the end of worksheet day 27. Again, those 2 things are under the personal finance, life, fire, and auto insurance. So you'll check out that section, see if you have either of those 2 kinds of questions.